Hey everyone, and welcome to the 12 days of stickers. So today is day 10 and I'm just gonna get right into it. So we have the Fallen Family Kit. So this is the 4-page kit because I printed these for myself. You guys can kind of see what this kit looks like, and there's still surprises if you still want to order all the 12 days in the other pages and things. But yeah, this is the essential kit. So you guys can see the gold detail has some leaves and things. Here are the full boxes. The other page that has foil in the essential kit is actually the functional boxes here. So it has just like a foil accent. You could still write on these, by the way. I try to make sure that you guys can still write on these. But we also have the check boxes here, and then the matching functional icons, which you guys can use for any planner as well. Anyway, that is it for today's kit. Make sure you check down below for the deal of the day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow for day 9.